Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX setups for today. So, a couple of things. We're in a channel, could be a flag, could just be a standard range, bit of a skew range. But the thing that bugs me of calling this a flag is look at my daily. That's a massive bullish bar, huge bullish bar, and a crossover of my oscillators above the 20 level here, and we're starting to point to the upside. So this has got more of a bullish connotation to me than anything else. And then if you look at this massive weekly pin bar that is forming, if it finishes like this today, so the weekly finishes with a big juicy pin bar like this, I'm definitely not looking for anything to the downside. So take this with a pinch of salt at the moment. We are waiting for politicians to intervene, but I'm a little bit cautious at the moment of looking for opportunities to the downside. Everything is saying, yeah, you should be looking for a move to the downside. Everything. The flag is there. The oscillators grip to the upside. We're below the 150 EMA. The only part that's not agreeing with it is the faster moving averages on the 3-hour, which is starting to cross over. And then when you get to the hour, it has broken through the moving averages, above the moving averages, and we're now hovering on the 150 EMA. So the thing is, this level, and that gap is now closed as well. So this level here at 17,668 is fairly key right now. The other thing to bear in mind is that that's a 2% move up. The day before was a 2% move down. So there is confusion, and you can read bullish and bearish setups into this. My take on it is, and this is specifically to all of you that are sitting back, either in South Africa with a public holiday and got lots of time on your hands, or those of you that are trading full-time, looking at the higher time frames, i.e. the daily and the weekly, that is more bullish than bearish. So if we just run with that sentiment and we are above the moving averages here, we're top of this channel, and let's just call it a channel for now. We're at the top of the channel, but we're also big move up, and we are moving sideways in a range. So what you're looking for, to be honest, is break on 17,752. So 17,750, you're looking for a clear break of that. You want price to come back and test the break, or build structure up here, come back, test the structure, and then start moving. So one of those two, and your stop loss is going to be 130 point stop loss below this range, and you're looking for pretty much a measured move along these lines. And we'll zoom out now and just see what logical structure is to the left. And look how that lines up. Perfect onto a fractal. And we've got a fractal. There's a little one there. So that's more than likely what's going to happen. I'll get back to lower time frames now and explain it. But you can see there's my one level there. There's my next level. Nothing in between. Okay, this one doesn't count, obviously. It's on the wrong side of price. So these are the ones that I'm looking for that would offer resistance on the move up. So when you come back to the 15-minute, so here, okay, if you've really got time, this is going to be a 5-minute setup, because what will happen is you'll break through 17,750, you will hit 17,775. That should trigger a move back down onto some structure, either this high or yesterday's high. You should get an inside bar, engulfing bar, or pin bar, and then you should get a move to the upside. And you can see what happened this morning, straight down onto the level of the downside here. Fairly decent grouping there, and then a move up. So that's kind of what I'd be looking for. It's going to be difficult to see that on the 15 minutes because it's so close. So just zoom out, go down to a lower time frame and watch it. If you don't have that time, then just wait for the break of this whole zone, pull back onto it. There's plenty of fat here, so this should be 150 points to 1-to-1 trade basically. That's a bit of a pity, but if you are in here with a fairly decent 60-point stop loss, that should give you a 2-to-1 trade. So that's kind of my view for today. I don't anticipate anything to the downside, but that is on the card. You could move all the way back down to the bottom of the range or the channel. But just looking at the higher time frames, I don't think that's the trade to take. Anyway, that's it for me. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you on Monday morning. Cheers for now.